Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we talk about how to generate random numbers in Google Sheet. I show you a magic trick for generating many random numbers between two values. To do this, you use the RANDBETWEEN function in Google Sheet. For example, if you want to generate random number between 1 and 100, here how you do it. Use the RANDBETWEEN function. Type is equal to RANDBETWEEN. This will generate a random number between 110, 100. Bracket close and press enter. And you see one random number. If you need more numbers, simply copy and paste this formula into as many cells as you need. Now you see that multiple random numbers are generated between 10 and 100. However, there is one outside. Every time you refresh the sheet, the number will change. If you want to keep these numbers as they are, you can use paste special and choose paste value only. This will remove the formula and leave only the random numbers you generated. I hope this video helped you understand how to use the RANDBETWEEN function to generate random numbers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.